Alright guys, so as you can see, the DSG is taken apart again. And I will explain why in a second. I made a series connector for batteries, so I can connect two batteries in series. And basically, if you don't know what that does, it uses them together. So, using some extra Dean's plugs and wire I had, I connected these two batteries together. If you can see, negative goes up to the output, the positive goes up to the output, so these are still negative positive, and this positive goes to this negative. They're all connected using Dean's plugs. And so these are two 7.4s. So basically this together with this plug on it is a 14.8 volt LiPo. I was testing in my DSG and it was working great. Then I had the brilliant idea of hooking up two 11.1 volt LiPos. I actually have two of these that I hooked up together to make a 22.2 volt LiPo. And yeah, that didn't go too well for the DSG. So I was pushing 85 rounds a second in the DSG for about 4 trigger pulls. And the stock D-Boys piston head, the screw stripped and the head actually cracked on the back. So I ordered a Lonex POM to replace that. What else? My motor was making a brilliant fireworks show right after the 4th of July. That was wonderful to watch. And the tappet plate spring, if I can find it. Oops. Sorry about that. I had shortened it 3 coils already so it would feed, and that was just weaker, and it ended up snapping. There's the other side. Notice that wasn't there. So that I already ordered parts. They'll be here within the next week. I'll have that gun up and running again. But I wanted to demonstrate the series connector. So I'm going to plug the 14.8 volt into my SCAR just to prove to you guys that I had it working. So here we go. Two identical 7.4s, 2200 milliamp, 35 to 70 C output, Nanotechs, 14.8 volt. See how it's over spinning? There we go. Full auto. There we go. So that's the series connector. If you want a tutorial on how to build it and you can't figure it out just from looking at it and what I already explained, just PM me and I'll try to explain it to you further. But don't go over 7.4s with this. I mean, I did the 11.1s more as a joke, but I created a 22.2 volt battery and I wrecked the DSG. So just do it for 7.4s or do it for fun. That's basically what I'm gonna end up with.